Now in this question, if a and b are non-negative real numbers such that a plus 2b equal to 6, then the average of maximum minimum possible values of a plus b is question. Now if a plus 2b should give me a 6, then what are the possible values of a and b? A and b can be what? A 6 and a 0, or a and a b will be 0 and 3. And I can also write a plus 2b as a plus b equal to 6. That means a plus b equal to 6 minus b. So I can conclude that a plus b will be maximum when b is minimum. So what is the minimum possible value of b? Which is 0. Then a plus b max will become what? 6. And for a plus b to be minimum, maximum value of b is required, and maximum value of b can be 3. Then a plus b minimum will be what? 6 minus 3, which is going to be 3. And the average of a plus b max and min is question. Minimum values of a plus b and maximum value of a plus b, average is being questioned. So that means I have to simply add 6 to 3 and divided by number of observation, which is 2. So that is going to give me a 9 by 2, which is 4.5 is the answer for this question. Option D is the answer.